Why do 80% of people with arm mobility issues overlook the potential of chiropractic care? Imagine waking up every morning, your right arm feeling like a foreign limb, barely moving, heavy, and disconnected. Now picture finding a solution that doesn't just mask the symptoms, but actually addresses the root cause. Meet chiropractic care, a beacon of hope for those battling with arm and shoulder dysfunction. It's not just about the spine, it's about restoring harmony throughout your body. Take a closer look at an X-ray of a misaligned neck, and you'll see a tangle of challenges. But what you're also looking at is a roadmap to recovery. The nerves that ensure our joints work smoothly, that our muscles coordinate perfectly, and that our soft tissues heal and rejuvenate, all emerge from the neck. By applying precise, tailored adjustments to the neck and other crucial joints, chiropractic care doesn't just soothe, it transforms. Patients report not just reduced pain, but renewed strength, mobility, and an invigorating sense of freedom. If shoulder pain, numbness, or tingling have been your unwelcome companions, it's time to see what chiropractic care can do for you. Don't let dysfunction become your norm. Reach out, make an appointment, and experience the profound positive changes yourself. Your journey to reclaiming your body's harmony starts today.